is a 4-bedroom duplex with a BQ, and the good thing is that the BQ comes with its own personal kitchen located here at Centenary City, Enugu. And this duplex is going for asking price of 250 million naira. So come in with me, let's tour this duplex. So once you enter, the first thing you see is this spacious living room, well lighted, well ventilated, with a very beautiful chandelier. Then let's head to the kitchen. So inside this kitchen, we have the kitchen table, we have the chandelier, inverter freezer, and all the essential features: the sink, cooker, microwave, and your cabinets that you need to store your food items right inside this kitchen, and a store right here to store some of your items. And this door leads straight to the backyard, and when you look at these wooden doors, they are actually made of good qualities. So we are going to tour the rest of the rooms. Let's go. As you can see, this duplex is designed with modern architecture, spacious living areas, quality finishing, and the kind of comfort most homeowners desire. While you are enjoying the tour of this beautiful house, let me tell you something important. Properties don't appreciate because they are beautiful. They appreciate because they are located in areas with strong future potential. And that is why Centenary City continues to attract attention from serious investors. Many people have heard the name Centenary City, but few truly understand the vision behind it. Centenary City was conceived as a master-planned urban development designed to provide a modern, organized, and world-class living environment. Unlike many areas where development happens randomly, Centenary City was planned from the beginning with infrastructure, accessibility, security, and long-term growth in mind. This kind of structured development is one of the reasons investors often pay close attention to such locations. When an area is properly planned, property values tend to appreciate steadily over time because the environment remains attractive to future buyers and tenants. Think about some of the most valuable real estate locations around the world. One thing is common, one thing stands out: proper planning. And that is exactly what attracts smart investors. One of the costly mistakes first-time investors make is focusing only on the building. Professional investors focus entirely on the ecosystem. They ask questions like: who is developing this area? How organized is the community? What infrastructure is available? How secured is this environment? Will demand increase over 5 to 10 years? These are questions that create wealth in real estate. When investors look at Centenary City, they see a location with structured development model. They see an organized layout. They see quality road network. They see growing residential demand. And most importantly, they see the future potential. The simple truth is, property prices don't wait until an area is fully developed before increasing. In many areas, the biggest gains happen during the development phase. Another reason many people choose Centenary City is security. For many homeowners, especially Nigerians living abroad, security is not negotiable. People want to know that when they invest their hard-earned money, their property is located in a secured estate and in a secured environment. A peaceful and organized environment not only improves the quality of life but also protects property values. Family want to live there, retirees want to live there, professionals want to live there, investors also want to live there. And whenever there is strong demand, property values tend to respond positively over time. One thing I tell my clients always is this: never buy properties based on emotions. Buy based on verification. One aspect many people appreciate about Centenary City is the structured administrative process available for property verification. Before purchasing any property, buyers can conduct proper due diligence through the relevant Centenary City administration channel. This helps investors verify ownership details and understand the documentation attached to the property. Centenary City comes with a general CFO, and many properties within this development come with documents such as power of attorney, deed of lease, or deed of assignment, depending on the transaction structure. Real estate rewards informed investors, and due diligence is one of the most important parts of the investment process. One trend I've noticed over the years about Centenary City is the growing interest from Nigerian in diaspora. Many people living abroad want more than just a house or a land ownership. They want certainty, they want transparency, they want an environment that reflects modern urban living. They want a property that they can comfortably show to their family and friends, and they want an asset that has the potential to grow in value over time. These are some of the reasons Centenary City continues to attract attention from diaspora investors. The combination of planning, security, infrastructure, and growing developments creates an attractive preposition for long-term investors. Now, as we continue touring this beautiful duplex, take a look at the spacious living room, the modern finishing, the carefully designed kitchen, the generous bedroom spaces, and the overall attention to details. These are the features that makes a house comfortable. But remember what we have discussed today. The building attracts attention, the location creates wealth. And that is why investors don't only buy houses, they buy location. So buying at Centenary City today is buying in an evolving location. Development is ongoing, infrastructure continues to improve. Many people are discovering this location, and as with many growing communities, early positioning can often create opportunity. Whether you are looking for a home to live in or an investment for the future, understanding this location is just as important as understanding the property itself. If you did like to learn more about available houses, land opportunities, and investment options within Centenary City, feel free to reach out to me on the phone number displayed on your screen. You can call or WhatsApp me. If you found this video helpful or valuable, click the link on my bio, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. Share this video with someone considering investing in Abuja real estate. Perhaps they might reconsider and invest in Enugu. And let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me if you would rather invest in a house or land within Centenary City and why. So I will see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of this video.